How to set up Hey Google on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up Hey Google voice assistant on your Android phone step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google app on your Android phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on settings. And now here in this section, just scroll down and tap on Google Assistant. And here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on voice match. Now here in this section, you can see the option labeled as Hey Google. So simply turn on or toggle on that option. Now here, if it is your first time, then it will ask you to record your voice so Google Assistant can recognize you. So to do that, just follow the prompts and say Hey Google or OK Google a few times. And once a setup is complete, you can say Hey Google and you should hear the assistant respond instantly. And that's it. That's how you can set up Hey Google on Android. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.